Hey everyone, so if you're using AI at work, you already know it can be an absolute powerhouse. But let's be real, you also know that getting what you actually want can sometimes feel like a total lottery, right? Well, today we are going to change that. We're talking about how to bring some order to that chaos and turn your AI requests into reliable, high-quality results every single time. Just a quick heads up before we dive in, this is part 5 of a free 20-lesson tutorial. It's called Prompt Engineering Strategies, getting the results you want while protecting privacy and sensitive information. And it's from Virtualization Options LLC. Today, we're really zooming in on one of the most critical skills from that course, how to structure your prompts. So let's set the scene here. You've got this incredibly powerful AI ready and waiting to do some work. But if you don't give it a plan, if you don't give it a blueprint, you are basically just inviting chaos into your workflow. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? You ask for a detailed report, and what you get back is this one long, rambling paragraph. Or you ask for a marketing email, and it comes back having completely missed the point. It's so frustrating, and it's a huge waste of time. And this right here is the core idea for today. Seriously, think of your prompt as the blueprint for the result you want. A vague idea? Well, that's going to get you a shaky structure. But a detailed, well-laid-out plan? That's how you get a masterpiece. Your instructions literally guide the entire construction process. The great news is that building that blueprint isn't complicated at all. The solution is structure. And it's really all about using a few simple formatting elements to give the AI crystal clear directions. So what is a structured prompt? It's really just an organized request. Instead of one big, long sentence, you break it down into logical parts. This basically prevents the AI from having to guess or make the wrong assumptions about what you actually want. Okay, so what's in this toolkit of yours? Well, first up, you've got numbered steps. These are perfect for any task where the order really matters, like a step-by-step guide. Next, bullet points are fantastic for just listing out requirements where the sequence doesn't matter, like features for a product description. Then we have section headers, which let you divide your prompt into logical chunks like background or format. And finally, and this one is a real game changer, giving it examples. You can show the AI the exact style you want it to mimic. These are your absolute core building blocks for clarity. Now, theory is great and all, but the difference becomes so obvious when you see it in action. So let's compare a vague, unstructured request with a powerful, structured one. And here it is. Look at the difference. On the left, you've got that chaotic, unstructured prompt. Write a convincing proposal. I mean, what does convincing even mean to an AI? It's a complete guess. But look at the right. The structured prompt is a clear plan. It defines the task, the specific key sections it needs, who the audience is, and even the tone. The AI isn't guessing anymore. It's executing a blueprint. And that is the real payoff, right there. Getting a high-quality result on the very first try saves you hours of editing and reprompting. It really turns the AI from a creative but kind of unpredictable intern into a reliable senior analyst. And this method isn't just for simple documents. In fact, the more complex the task is, the more valuable structure becomes. So let's scale it up and design a blueprint for something really high stakes, like a quarterly business review presentation, a QBR. Just look at how all those pieces from our toolkit come together here. We're telling the AI its role, a senior business analyst. We're defining the audience as the board of directors. That right there instantly raises the quality bar. We set the tone to be data-driven and confident. We even provide the exact 7-part structure and add important constraints like avoid jargon. Every single detail guides the AI toward creating a truly executive-level output. Okay, so you've seen the problem, you've seen the solution, and you've seen the proof. Now for the most important part, making this work for you. It is time for you to become the architect of your own AI outputs. Let's put this into practice. Think of a recurring, maybe kind of complex task in your own job. It could be a weekly sales report, a monthly client update, maybe a project kickoff document. Just get one of those tasks in your mind right now. All right, now using these elements as your guide, sketch out a prompt for that task. Define the task itself, who it's for, the structure it needs, the tone, and any constraints. The first time might take you a few minutes, but what you're really doing is creating a reusable template that can save you hours every single week. So I'll just leave you with this final thought. What complex business task are you going to build a blueprint for first? Pick one, start there, and I promise you, you will fundamentally change the way you work with AI. Thanks for joining me for this one.